is absolutely filled to the brim with toys, and you can see there. Hi, it's Emma here. Today I'm going to be doing some retail arbitrage. I've actually come to a little town near me where I can actually go to quite a few shops all at once. It sort of saves me going here, there and everywhere. So there's about 10 different stores that I've identified in this area that I can go into. The first one is Boots. I've actually seen some things online in Boots that I wanted to purchase, however they were out of stock. So I'm going into Boots today. Here we are. And I'm going to see if I can identify those items that I found online that are out of stock, and also see if I can find any other bits. So come on, let's go into Boots. So I'm just leaving Boots. I've got a bag full of stuff here. Then I'm going to go back and buy some more, because I'm just conscious about the amount of things that I was going to carry. Because the Boots I was in as well, they didn't have a trolley, they only had a basket, which can be a bit difficult when you want to buy lots of things. So the good thing about Boots at the moment is they have a 3 for 2 on gifts. So that includes chocolates, toys and that sort of thing. With a 10% Boot Advantage card, which is, they say it's like a student discount, it actually makes it pretty worth it. So as I say, I've got this bag here, then I'm going to go back in a second and get some more. So I've added the first lot of things into the car and into the boot, so I'm heading back to Boots to get some more items. I'm walking over to Superdrug because I've seen that they sold out online of some things that I actually want. So heading into Superdrug and we'll see if they actually have what I am looking for. So here we are, let's head inside. I'm super happy because the items I was looking for I've actually found. Let me just show you. I've actually got a few of these still in stock, so I'm going to reveal this product to you in a future video. These were actually sold out online, however in store they've got about 7 or 8. Thumbs up for finding your items in store. So just leaving Superdrug and I found what I was looking for, £90 profit. I was just shopping and this nice guy just came up to me as he wants to be in the video. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
And you say you got an Instagram account?
Yeah, my name is on Instagram is Leonardo Eduardo. Follow me.
Well, it was nice meeting you. Okay, so yeah. So it is quite nice vlogging as you get people who come up to you. So as I was saying, I found this in Superdrug. And I'm really pleased because I managed to get 10 items, each one giving a £9 profit. So that's £90 profit in literally less than 2 minutes. So I just went into store to see if they had them. And I actually found this deal using a sourcing software. And that is where sourcing software is really good, because you can find items and some of those items might actually be out of stock online, but if you come in store then you might actually find them, and I find that gives the biggest return on investment, the items that I can actually find in store via retail arbitrage as opposed to online as like masses are buying them. Second stop was Superdrug and I'm super happy. So I've just finished in Tesco and I brought a few items. I actually identified that the Lego in Tesco is actually a bit more expensive than in Asda. However, I was able to pick up some Lego that Asda do not stock, and also Amazon aren't on the listing, which is perfect. So I brought a few boxes of those. Although Christmas is coming and toy sales go bananas, it's also key to diversify your inventory. There's going to be a lot of Christmas and festive parties coming up and people want to look their best. They want to have their makeup, nails and hair looking on point. Therefore, I was quids in when I stumbled on this clearance of beauty items. I especially like selling makeup as it is small and lightweight. Also, look out for limited edition makeup sets, as that can really help bring in higher value sales. I cleared the shelf of my local with a few lines of toys that are selling really well on Amazon with little competition. So I've just come to a few of the other local Asdas near me to see if I can actually find some more. Did you know that some Asdas actually have scan and go? That's a new one on me that I've not seen before, because my local ones near me don't have any. I've just come to some massive ones and they've got scan and goes similar to what Tesco does. Be interesting to know if you knew that or it's new to you as well. So I've just been to the second Superdrug of the day and I got about £30 discount in multi-buys. I actually forgot to use the first voucher that I got, which was double points, because I'm really big on getting all the points you can get as they do add up. and I totally forgot, and I just spent about £70 in there. So I'll have to remember next time to use my double point vouchers. My battery's actually dead, so I can't do any more scanning, which means I can't source any goods that I'm not familiar with. I'm absolutely exhausted. It's been a full day sourcing. I would have continued if my battery on my phone was still available, but obviously, as we know, it's dead, and I've just been photobombed if you saw that guy in the back. Oh gosh, that's the second time someone's either asked to be on camera today or photobombed me. The key takeouts from today are that if you actually find some things online and they're out of stock, come into store, do retail arbitrage and see if you can find those items. Also, I found great profits in the 3 for 2 on boots, so do look out for any of those deals coming up over Christmas. 3 for 2s, buy one get one free will give you good profits. Also, take advantage of any loyalty card schemes that the stores have. So for example, Boots have the Advantage card, and today they were giving 10% off. Superdrug also have a loyalty scheme, and they told me that I have over £20 worth of discount on my card. These loyalty schemes do add up, so sign up for all that you can, keep them in your purse, and when you're out and about, be sure to get them scanned and get your points. I'm going to make my way back to the car. So the car is absolutely filled to the brim with toys, as you can see there. Obviously Christmas is coming up. What sells toys? It's actually really late now, so I'm going to head home and then get these items listed tomorrow and sent into Amazon.